Hi everyone, this is a simple tutorial to teach you how to generate photos in anime style or in Studio Ghibli style. So go to this link, grok.com. I'll drop the link on the description. Then click on sign up or sign in. So you can use your Google accounts to sign in. So give me some time to turn the language to English. Now all you have to do is to drop your photos here from your computer, then type this message: turn this photo to Ghibli style. Then click on this button. Wait some time. This is the Moroccan tea. The image is starting to be generated. As you are seeing, this is the result. Click on save. Right click, click save image as, and save it to your computer. Look to the original image, and this is the result. So if you found that this video is helpful, do not forget to subscribe on our channel.